Right. Right. Morning. Good to have Mono in the studio. Ko Gamboroa Guitarra Tuku 1. Hey, it's your Gamon.
Yeah.
Ramson, send Hobby to enjoy. Which one was that?
That's Shade. I'm sorry, tell me no
Oh.
Simbiri Rabo.
Mopo Pansana.
We recorded it, I think 2006, I think that's when we recorded the album.
Mopo. This one says, hi guys. Mo and Aval, it's my birthday today from Dube.
What's the birthday?
Can you ask her to play me something from Marshall? Sarah, your dad will lead you there. Moto. Yes.
This is brilliant.
This is what happens when you bring your father and son together in the studio and you want to have so much fun. 15 minutes after the hour 8 is the time right here on the Breakfast Drive on Classic 263. And today we're hosting Clive Mono Mukundum Dara Nakudara.
Yes.
Good morning, Clive. Always a pleasure to have you in the studio.
Good morning, Valentine. Good morning, Monica. Good morning to our funeral woman.
And of course, we've got the carbon copy.
Yeah.
You did produce something of yourself up there. Tucker, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Great, man. It's good to have you in the studio.